following is a procedure to be used in those circumstances where a deep cleaning of the ActivPanel cover glass is required. Step 1. Switch off your ActivPanel and disconnect the power cable. Step 2. Lightly apply 90% ethanol to a 100% cotton or microfiber cloth. We recommend spraying onto the cloth. Do not apply liquids directly to the ActivPanel. Step 3. In a single direction, wipe down the cover glass of the ActivPanel, making sure to avoid the narrow sides of the touch bezel. Do not apply excessive pressure to the glass. Step 4. After the application, dry the cover glass with a clean and dry 100% cotton or microfiber cloth. Note: please follow all safety and handling instructions listed with the cleaning solution and keep out of reach of children. For schools conducting a deep clean of their facilities, please follow these steps to protect your ActivPanels in advance of chemicals being sprayed onto surfaces. Step 1. Switch off your ActivPanel and disconnect the power cable. Step 2. Cover all inputs and outputs of the ActivPanel to prevent damage to internal electronic components. Cover all ventilation holes. Remember to remove any covering before use. Please be advised: do not use ammonia-based cleaners directly on the ActivPanel. Do not apply liquids directly to the ActivPanel. Do not let any liquid remain on the ActivPanel. Please be advised: when wiping the panel, use a 100% cotton or microfiber cloth. As always, imply good personal hygiene practices of washing hands before and after using the ActivPanel. For more information, visit support.prometheanworld.com/article/1204.